am Chiu. Hi, I'm Chiu. I came from Korea, and during that time, I learned how to work quickly in environments like clean and so I'm fully ready to maintain high food safety and hygiene standards here. I'm excited to bring my experience and possibility to your cooking team. Possibility of cooking. I'm a religious person. I'm great making relationship with people. I like to participate in every ceremony and I have barista certification in Korea.